Hello students, welcome back. Today I am here to explain the 10th lesson of your textbook. What is the 10th lesson of your textbook? Environmental pollution. Okay, till now we have finished how many lessons? 9 lessons. Okay, among 9 lessons, 6 lessons were for first sem and the 7th lesson onwards, second sem started. Okay, here today I am going to explain you about environmental pollution. See, before going to explain this lesson, I would like to revise the last lesson. What is the last lesson? The freezer zone. Okay, what is the last lesson? Last lesson is freezer zone. In this lesson, what did you learn? You learned about the freezer zones, where they are located, where is north freezer zone located, where is south freezer zone located, what type of climate is experienced by the freezer zones, and see what is the vegetation and wildlife in the freezer zone, how is the life of the people in the freezer zone. All these things you learned in the previous class. Okay, that means in the last lesson you learned all these things. Now, in the present lesson, you are going to learn about environmental pollution. That means, what do you mean by environment? Environment is nothing but the surrounding. Okay. See, what do we see in our surroundings? We see natural things and artificial things. Okay. Natural things, artificial things. Okay, what are natural things? Natural things are nothing but God-made things. Okay, what are artificial things? Artificial things are nothing but man-made things. Okay, we have resources, natural resources and artificial resources. See, what are natural resources? Natural resources are nothing but natural resources. Okay, what are natural resources? Natural resources are nothing but God-made resources. Okay, these are God-made. That means, see, they come from nature. Natural resources come from nature. Okay, they come from nature and they are not made by the people. They are not made by the people. That means human beings. Okay, what are natural things? Natural things are nothing but God-made things. They come from nature. Okay, such things are called natural resources. Can you tell me what are the examples of natural resources? Okay, I'll tell you what are the examples of natural resources. See here, air, water, soil, land, plants, trees, animals. Next, energy sources, minerals, etc. Okay, these are called natural resources. Okay, these are the examples of natural resources: air, water, soil, land, plants, trees, animals, energy sources, minerals. Okay, these are all the examples of natural resources. That means these are not made by the human beings. These are not man-made things. Okay, these are the gift of the nature. That means these are made by the God. These are given by the God. Understood, children? Here, what do you mean by energy source? What do you mean by energy source? Energy source is nothing but the source by which energy is produced. Okay, the sources by which energy is produced. Here, energy is nothing but electricity. How is electricity produced? Electricity is produced by water, by water, by wind, by sunlight, by coal. Okay. See, by all these things, with the help of all these things, electricity is produced. Okay. The electricity, the energy which is produced by water is called hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity. Next, by wind, it is wind energy. Next, by sunlight, what is produced by the sunlight? Solar energy. Solar, okay, solar energy. By coal, thermal energy. Okay, see, these are the energies. That means this is the electricity produced by water, wind, sunlight, and coal. Electricity which is produced by the water is called hydroelectricity. The electricity which is produced by the wind is called wind energy. Electricity which is produced by the sunlight is called solar energy. Coal is called thermal energy. Say we are using nowadays we are using solar energy in our houses, isn't it? We are using solar cookers, we are using solar bulbs, we are using solar water heaters, isn't it? Like that we are using solar energy in our houses also. Okay. Now what is a resource? What do you mean by resource? Okay, resource is nothing but resource is nothing but something that people use to meet their needs. Okay, something that people use to meet their needs. Okay, that is called resource. What do you mean by resource? Resource is nothing, something that people use to meet their needs. Okay, something which is used in order to meet our needs is called resource. Okay, here we are using water in order to produce the electricity. We are using the coal in order to produce electricity. Sunlight, we are using sunlight to produce electricity. That means we are using the resources in order to meet our needs. Okay, in order to fulfill our needs. Now, next is pollution. What do you mean by pollution? First, let us see what do you mean by pollute. Pollute is nothing but making dirty, becoming dirty. Okay, the pollution is nothing but the process by which the natural resources become dirty. Okay, the process by which the natural resources become dirty, it is called as a pollution. Okay, the way in which the natural resources become dirty is called pollution. Okay. The process by which the natural resources become dirty. Okay, it is called as pollution. The way by which the natural resources like air, water, air, water, and other natural resources become dirty. It is called as a pollution. Okay. Here, what is the main cause for pollution? What is the main cause for pollution? The main cause for pollution is nothing but we, the human beings. Okay, the people are the main cause for the pollution. Okay, how? With the activity of the people. That means activity is nothing but the work done by the people. With the help of the work done by the people, the pollution arises. Okay, here. Environmental pollution arises in the activity of the human beings. Now, let us see what are the types of pollution. There are four main types of pollution. What are they? Air pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Okay, these are the four main types of pollution. What are the four main types of pollution? Air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Now let us study one by one. First one is air pollution. Air pollution. See, air contains different types of gases. Okay, different types of gases are present in the air. Air is very, very important, isn't it? The gases which are present in the air contains different gases. Okay, the gases which are present in the air are very important for the life, for the existence of the life. That means for the continuity of the life. For being life on the earth, these gases are very, very important. What are the gases present in the air? The gases present in the air are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, neon, argon. These are some. These are the examples, etc. These are the examples of the gases which are present in the air. See, oxygen is very, very important. Daily we inhale and exhale. Inhale means taking in air oxygen, and exhale means giving out carbon dioxide. Inhaling and exhaling is called respiration. Okay, we take in air and give out air. That means we take in oxygen. Taking in air oxygen, giving out air carbon dioxide is called respiration. Okay, what type of air is needed in order to do the respiration? We need fresh air. Okay, we don't need polluted air. If we breathe polluted air, what happens? We get number of diseases. We get breathing problems, isn't it? See, now let us see what causes pollution. What causes pollution? Harmful gases. Harmful gases and smoke. Okay, harmful gases and smoke cause air pollution. Okay, polluted air is very, very bad for the health. Is it good or bad? It is very bad for the health. Okay, now let us see some of the causes of air pollution. Causes of air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution? See, first point, first one, smoke and poisonous gases. poisonous gases emitted from cars and factories. This is one of the causes. Okay, this is one of the causes of air pollution. Smoke and poisonous gases emitted from cars and factories. See, we run vehicles, isn't it? We run vehicles, we run factories. Through that, what happens? If we run vehicles, what happens? We get smoke, isn't it? Smoke is released. That means smoke comes out. See, factories also. When we run factories, we get smokes. Okay, we get smoke like this. This is the smoke. Understood? This is the smoke. Here we are getting smoke from the factory. See, this smoke contains poisonous gases. Okay, these poisonous gases are very dangerous for the health and they pollute air. Okay, the smoke and the poisonous gases which are released by the vehicles and the factories are the main causes for the air pollution. They make the air to get polluted. Understood? Next one, one more reason why the air gets polluted. Burning wood. Second point, burning wood, dry leaves, and fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. Say, burning wood, dry leaves, and fossil fuels. By burning all these things, we get smoke, isn't it? By burning wood, what we get? We get smoke. By burning leaves, dry leaves, we get smoke. Fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are nothing but petrol, coal, kerosene. These are called fossil fuels. Okay, petrol, coal, and kerosene, these are called fossil fuels. By burning all these things, what we get? We get smoke. Okay, that smoke spoils the air. That means make the air to get polluted. Okay, next point. Third point. Bursting fire crackers. Okay, bursting firecrackers. That means during Diwali festival, what do we do, children? We burn crackers, isn't it? We burst crackers. By that, what happens? We get smoke. Okay, by burning crackers, we get a smoke. That is very, very dangerous, isn't it? That fire, which is released by the burning of crackers, it pollutes the air. Okay, that means it spoils the air. It makes the air dirty. Next one is cutting down trees or deforestation. Deforestation. See, what do you mean by deforestation? Deforestation is nothing but decreasing the forest. How do we decrease the forest? By cutting down the trees. Okay, by cutting the trees, we decrease the forest. Deforestation is nothing but cutting down the trees. Okay, see, afforestation. What do you mean by afforestation? See, afforestation is nothing but growing trees. Growing more and more trees is called afforestation, and deforestation is nothing but cutting down the trees. Okay, decreasing the forest is called afforestation. Uh, Deforestation, cutting down the trees is called deforestation, and growing the trees is called afforestation. Okay, see, by cutting the forest, by cutting the trees, we can pollute the air. See what plants do, what trees do, they give out oxygen, isn't it? Oxygen is released by the trees and plants, and carbon dioxide is taken by the plants. Okay, what is given out? Oxygen is given out by the plants and trees, and carbon dioxide is given. Oxygen is given out by the trees and plants, and the carbon dioxide is taken by the plants. What we people do? We inhale. That means we take oxygen. Okay, we give out carbon dioxide. That means that the carbon dioxide which is released by us is used by the trees and plants, and the oxygen which is released by the plants is used by the human beings. That is why, see, we should grow more and more trees and plants. Trees and plants play an important role in what in making the air purified. Okay. Next, last one, volcanoes. Volcanoes, forest fires, and sandstorms. Okay. These also play an important role in polluting the air. Okay. See, volcanoes, forest fires, and sandstorms also play an important role in polluting the air. See, volcanoes. When the volcanoes erupt, what happens? We get poisonous gases. Those gases make the air to pollute. Forest fires. What do you mean by forest fire? During summer season, what happens? See, during summer season, see, a strong wind carrying. See, during summer season, when the winds blow, okay, during summer season, when the winds blow, what happens? The dried grass catch fire. Okay, they rub against each other. The dried grass rub against each other and catch fire. Okay, like that. What happens? That fire which is caught by the grass destroys the trees. Okay, destroys the trees. That means the fire burning the trees also release the smoke. And sandstorms commonly happen in desert areas. Okay, what do you mean by sandstorm? Sandstorm is nothing but a strong wind. See, a strong wind carrying clouds of sand with it. Sandstorm is nothing but a strong wind carrying clouds of sand with it. It is called as a sandstorm. Okay, this sandstorm contains a lot of dust. Okay, see, this also plays an important role in polluting the air. Okay, see, volcanoes, forest fires, and sandstorms play an important role in polluting the air. Polluting the air. Okay. See, children. I'll ask a question, children. What are minerals? Already I explained in a previous lesson. That means in earlier lessons, I explained about the minerals. What are minerals? What are minerals? Minerals are nothing but substances substances that are naturally present in the earth. Okay. What are minerals? Minerals are nothing but substances that are naturally present in the earth. They are called as minerals. Okay. In easy words, the things which are above from the earth. Okay. Present as naturally. They are called as what? Minerals. What are the examples of minerals? Can you give children? Iron, coal, bauxite, calcium, phosphorus, manganese, iodine, copper, etc. Okay, these are some examples of the minerals. Okay, see what are minerals? Minerals are nothing but substances that are naturally present in the earth. Next, examples of minerals are iron, coal, bauxite, calcium, phosphorus, manganese, iodine, copper, etc. These are the examples of minerals. Why I am saying means these minerals also become uh, pollute. Okay, because of pollution, what happens? Hello. See, minerals are also one of the part of the natural resources. Okay, it is one of the part of natural resources. They also get pollute. Okay, because they also become dirty because of pollution. Okay, see children. I'd like to stop here. Children, what you have to do means you have to open the textbook page number 66. See, you have to go through the lesson twice or thrice. Then you will understand the lesson completely. Understood? Please make the habit of reading textbook. There are so many advantages by reading the textbook. Understood, children? See, whatever the hard words I told you in the previous class also, whatever the words you feel hard, no, you have to underline them and if you don't understand the meaning, you have to open the dictionary and go through it. Suppose if you did not understand from that also, you can ask me questions in interactive sessions. We are conducting interactive sessions. Friday is my interactive session day. Okay, you can call me, and personally also you can call me and clarify the doubts. Thank you, children. Have a good day. When I